If you're a homeowner in Mandeville, Louisiana, you likely take pride in your home's comfort, appearance, and energy efficiency. One of the best home improvement projects that can enhance all these aspects is window replacement. Whether your windows are old, drafty, or simply outdated, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference. Here's why Mandeville homeowners should seriously consider window replacement and the many benefits it offers. Boost energy efficiency and reduce utility bills. Mandeville experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, meaning your home's heating and cooling systems are working hard throughout the year. Old or poorly insulated windows can be a major source of energy loss, letting warm air in during the summer and letting heat escape during the winter. New energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer with features like double or triple panes, gas fills between the panes, and low emissivity coatings. These technologies help maintain a more consistent indoor temperature, reducing the demand on your HVAC system. The result? Lower energy consumption and noticeable savings on your monthly utility bills. Investing in window replacement is not only good for your comfort but also your wallet, helping you save money year after year. Increase home comfort. Drafty, inefficient windows can cause uncomfortable cold spots during the winter and hot, stuffy areas in the summer. Window replacement improves your home's insulation, eliminating drafts and reducing temperature fluctuations. In Mandeville's humid climate, condensation can also be a problem with older windows, leading to foggy glass and potential mold growth around window frames. New windows with improved sealing and insulation help prevent moisture buildup, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Enjoy a more comfortable home year-round with windows that keep the outside weather where it belongs, outside. Enhance curb appeal and home value. Windows play a key role in your home's exterior appearance. Old, outdated, or damaged windows can detract from your home's beauty and lower its market value. On the other hand, new windows instantly boost curb appeal, making your home look fresh, modern, and well-maintained. Whether you prefer classic wooden frames, sleek vinyl, or durable fiberglass, window replacement allows you to customize the style, color, and design to complement your home's architecture. This aesthetic upgrade not only makes your home more enjoyable to live in but also increases its resale value if you ever decide to sell. In fact, window replacement is often ranked among the home improvements with the best return on investment, giving you more value for your money. Improve home security. Your windows are one of the primary entry points for intruders, so upgrading to newer, more secure windows can significantly improve your home's safety. Older windows often have weaker locks, single-pane glass, and frames that can deteriorate over time, making them easier to break or force open. Modern replacement windows feature stronger materials, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options that make break-ins much more difficult. Installing secure windows helps protect your family and belongings and offers peace of mind knowing your home is safer. Reduce maintenance needs. Older windows, especially wooden ones, require frequent upkeep like painting, sealing, and repairs due to exposure to the elements. Mandeville's humid climate can accelerate wood rot, warping, and paint peeling, leading to costly and time-consuming maintenance. New windows made from materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite are designed for durability and low maintenance. These materials resist moisture, fading, and damage, allowing you to spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying your home. Enjoy better noise reduction. Mandeville neighborhoods can range from quiet residential streets to busier areas near main roads or commercial centers. Old windows often do little to block outside noise, making your indoor space less peaceful. New, energy-efficient windows with multiple panes and laminated glass options provide excellent noise reduction, creating a quieter, more serene indoor environment. This is especially beneficial if you work from home or have young children who need restful sleep. Take advantage of modern window technology. Window technology has come a long way. Today's replacement windows offer features such as UV protection to reduce fading of your furniture and flooring, easy-to-clean glass coatings, and smart window options that can be controlled remotely or integrated into home automation systems. By upgrading your windows, you benefit from these modern conveniences that improve your lifestyle and protect your home's interior. Conclusion. For Mandeville homeowners, window replacement is a smart investment that offers a wide range of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced security, curb appeal, and noise reduction. Upgrading your windows can save you money on utility bills, reduce maintenance headaches, and increase your home's value and beauty. If your windows are showing signs of age, inefficiency, or damage, now is the perfect time to consider replacement. Partner with trusted local professionals to choose the best windows for your home's style, needs, and budget. With new windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and attractive home for years to come.